you introduce yourself quickly?
I'm Harper Dean. I'm a law student at Albany Law.
Hi, my name's Eleni. I'm a second-year law student at NYU.
Hi, my name is Jijun Zheng. I'm currently a rising 2L at Fordham University School of Law.
Hi, my name is Sue. I'm a rising 2L at St. John's University School of Law.
I'm Jen. I'm a 3L at Rutgers in the Camden campus.
And this summer I'm an legal intern with Manhattan Legal Services in the housing department.
And I'm a summer intern at Goddard Riverside Law Project for housing and tenants' rights.
I currently am an intern for the Neighborhood Defender Services in Harlem.
Okay, and what drives you to be interested in or want to do tenant representation work?
Housing is a human right. People deserve to have a safe place to live.
The most basic right that we all have as people is having access to safe housing, affordable housing, stable housing.
I've always been interested in public interest. That's the whole reason why I wanted to go to law school. Housing is absolutely a human right.
I actually grew up in China, in southern China, and the place I came from is also a city. And I don't think, well, in the city it doesn't have a very developed housing or like any protection for tenants.
Especially in cities like New York, and I'm also from California, there's a huge housing crisis.
In 2020, I started to work for a homeless advocacy group, and I was placing people who were currently living on the street into permanent housing. And it was quickly an issue that they weren't supportive enough, and they were falling behind on rent or weren't getting the help they need, and evictions were happening just as fast as we were placing them.
Evictions are violent, and they should, really we just shouldn't be exploiting housing for profit.
I think with stable housing, people can achieve so many things they can't otherwise, and so making sure people have housing is one of the most basic things that we can do to protect our communities.
Even though housing and things like dignity and justice, these are human rights that are not that should never be compromised. It's a matter of enforcing those rights and making sure that having a right is one thing and then practicing that right is another thing, and that's what I want to be a part of.
This is an exciting movement, like fighting for the rights of tenants. It's so it's something new actually, and I think it's very important not just to New York City, but also to other places in the United States and also to the rest of the world.